Hello everyone, my name is Shoaib. I'm an Indian qualified lawyer working in UAE since last 12 years. Today I am here again with a new query related to refund of security deposit while renting an apartment in Dubai. So let's get to the query. What it says. I am renting an apartment in Dubai since last 7 years, which I am vacating now. The landlord is saying that he will deduct some amount from security deposit as I have repainted the apartment, which is different from the color when I moved in. Also, I have done some drilling works for installation of fan, paintings, clocks, etc. Is landlord within its right to deduct from the security deposit to restore the apartment? For answering this query, the first point to consider is whether the tenant has taken permission from landlord for doing the color or to drill the holes for installation of fans or paintings or clocks. If the answer is affirmative, yes, the tenant has taken a permission from landlord in writing, then the landlord will not be able to deduct any money from the security deposit as he has approved such works. This is provided in Article 19 of Law Number 26 of 2007 regulating the relationship between landlord and tenants in the Emirates of Dubai. What it says is that the tenant shall not make any changes, renovation or maintenance works without landlord's permission and after obtaining necessary approval from the competent authorities. So if the landlord has given permission in writing, as we have seen, there is no question of any deduction from the security deposit. But if the landlord has not given any permission or you have not approached the landlord to take the permission and has done this work, now you have the obligation to return the apartment in the same condition as you have taken at the time you rented it. This is provided in Article 21 of the same law, which says, tenant shall be obliged upon expiry of tenancy to return the property to landlord in the same condition as handed over to him at the time of contracting, except for normal wear and tear and for reasons beyond his control. So if you have recolored the apartment or done some drilling work for installation of fan, painting or clock, it is your responsibility to restore back the apartment in its original form as you have taken at the time of renting it. If not, the landlord is well within his right to deduct some amount from the security deposit for restoring the apartment in its original form. In the above discussion, there may be an argument that whether these changes are considered as normal wear and tear for which no deductions can be made, or these changes are not normal wear and tear and for which the deductions can be made by the landlord. Now, this is a judgmental call and each individual perception may differ from fact to fact and matter to matter. If there is any dispute in interpretation of this, we need to approach Dubai Rental Dispute Center for their guidance and decision. I hope I have addressed this query. If you like me to address more queries, please let me know in the comment section below. Thank you.